AP Chemistry Summer Prep Course. Here is a letter from a former student. I always have my students at the end of the year write a letter to the next year's students. After all, those are the people that a new student would probably really want to listen to. Similarly, and this is where I've got this letter from, is you can peruse the web and find all sorts of advice from former students. And I think that it's useful, maybe not quantitatively, but it's good to take a look. So here's a letter from a former student that I took off the web. Dear students, you're insane for taking this class, but it's actually cool. Study the lecture screencast. This is how you study. Be prepared for the FRQ2. That means the free response questions, of which there's 7 on the exam. Doing your homework is essential to maintaining a stable grade. Get an A and don't procrastinate. I think that's informative. Oftentimes the just do it strategy is useful. Easier said than done, right? Don't mess with the chemicals either. HCl frickin' hurts. I think taking a good whiff of HCl is something that will happen to most chemists sooner or later, and I must agree, it's a painful experience. Anyway, make sure you are sure of your schedule before taking this class, because you'll be pretty much doing homework every night forever. I don't know if that's actually true, but maybe that's how a student looks at it. I've waited until the last day to do homework a couple times, and I was pulling all-nighters. It was a long time ago that I took a course such as this, and I do remember procrastinating a lot more than when I got older and realized that that was just not a good strategy. These suck, so don't do that if you like sleep. If you did well with stoichiometry and regular chem, you should be good for most of the problem-solving areas of this class. In other words, if you are solid on the math, you've probably got a decent foundation. Good luck and be prepared for a very exciting experience. In our next slide, we'll evaluate the question why you're doing this.